Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best NEET coaching in your city Patna? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city Patna. Before beginning with the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us begin with the video. At rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy ranks number 1 in top coaching provider for NEET medical entrance examinations preparation. Toppers Academy is one of the leading academy for NEET preparation in India. With the faculty of online lectures, expertise skills and top faculty management, the Toppers Academy has set a milestone and has helped the aspirants to reach great heights. Okay, now let us talk about the features of Toppers Academy. The very first is updated study material. Number 2, interactive live classes. Next in the list is educational psychologist. Number 4 is recorded video lectures. Then they have free booklets. Next is doubt clearing classes, test series, and finally they provide you with the class notes. Okay, you can connect to the Toppers Academy on this number, that is 07827 048964, and the email ID of the institute is info@toppersacademy.app. At rank 2, we have the Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone arranges demos of the preferred coachings by the students. Their investment is precious to you as well as to them. You will be assigned with a mentor for the whole year who will guide you the approach towards examination. Also, in choosing right study material, evaluation of test series or any other doubt you want to discuss, you can do that freely. They will assure you to take the right path and help you in reaching your goal. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. Many students are in mere confusion about where to invest, which will be the best academies for them, where they will get the exact quality of education they are looking for. So, the Hindu Zone provides completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. The Hindu Zone listen to the requirements of the students, their area of concerns, and then the expert mentors advise them the top institutes according to their need. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have LN Classes. LN Classes is the leading coaching center in Patna and leaves a benchmark in this competitive examination sector. The faculty is well trained in the outer body, infrastructure is also good. The batch size is not crowded, but they accommodate 40 students per batch. Okay, now let us talk about the address and the contact details. The address of LN Career Classes includes Ma Bhagwati Complex, Boring Road, Chauraha, Patna, Bihar 800001. Their contact number includes 096932255053. Okay. The fee structure includes a sum of rupees 1,95,900 rupees for 2 years and rupees 95,000 for 1 year. Batch size I have already discussed, that is 40 students per batch. Down to our rank 4 institute, we have Paradise NEET Coaching Institute in Patna. Paradise Institute is one of the best coaching centers in Patna, and their main motive is building unbreakable confidence of their students so that during the exam, students will not fear to face that competitive environment. The team of teaching leaders are well trained at their subjects and imparts the knowledge of their subjects so beautifully that students understand each and every topic in a very excellent manner. Okay, now let us talk about the contact details. The address of this institute includes Arya Kumar Road near Canara Bank, Rajendra Nagar, Patna, Bihar 800016. Their contact number is 0749382887. Alright, now let us talk about the fee structure and the batch size. So the fee structure of the institute includes a sum of rupees 50,000 for 1 year and a sum of rupees 80,000 for 2 years. Their batch size includes 45 to 50 students in a batch. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 5 institute, is Akash Institute for NEET in Patna. Akash Institute is well known for imparting excellent knowledge for your competitive exam subjects and topics. This academy is on number 5 in the top coaching list for medical entrance in Patna. Educators are working as a mentor and motivate their students for achieving their hardest goals. The batch size is good even for the correct detail. Now let us talk about the other contact details and their website. So the website of this institute is www.akash.ac.in. The address of Akash Institute is 5th floor UMA Complex Road 4 Fraser Road Old Jakkanpur Indiranagar Patna Bihar 800001. Their contact number is 0612 233 2023. Now let us talk about the fee structure and the batch size. So the fee structure includes a sum of rupees 1,27,440 rupees for 1 year and a rupees 2,59,600 rupees for 2 years. The batch size includes 50 to 60 students in a batch. So friends, these were our top 5 institutes for best NEET preparations in your city Patna. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.